If you want a cheap and simple case for your Pixel 8a, the Spigen Liquid Air is definitely worth a look. It nails the basics and adds just enough visual flair to stand out in a crowded market of thin TPU cases. Right out of the box, you'll notice that the case is flexible and easy to install. The fully TPU build fits nice and snug, with just enough of an overhang to protect the screen, but not so much that it's hard to use swipe gestures. The only real standout feature here is the texture on the back. The tiny triangles look great and add some grip, but not too much. The grooves are fairly shallow, so you don't have to worry about dirt or residue getting stuck, and because it's so flexible, it's very easy to remove and clean. The camera bar is completely covered, with the Pixel 8a's natural colors just barely peeking through. The bar is raised and has a different texture, so it preserves the unique design language of the Pixel lineup. The sides of the case have another shallow, grippy texture, which again doesn't add too much grip. Still, I found the case very comfortable to hold and use, and never had any issues with it slipping out of my hand or off my desk. The buttons were nice and clicky, and there are 2 holes for a wrist strap. These holes are only on one side though, so if you want to use a lanyard, you're out of luck. Being a thin case, the Spigen Liquid Air doesn't offer the most protection, although it is rated for military-grade drop protection. It does have Spigen's standard air cushion technology, which will help protect your phone if it lands right on the corner. Still, based on my previous experience with this case, it should be more than enough to keep your Pixel 8a safe from anything but the gnarliest of drops. My only main criticism of the Liquid Air for the Pixel 8a is that it only comes in 2 colors, the dark green seen here and black. If you can look past that, it's still a great value at just $18. For more thin options similar to this case, check out the Ringgit Onyx, which has a rougher texture on the back, or the Spigen Rugged Armor, which is minimal with a touch of carbon fiber. Learn more about all 3 options at the links in the description below.